Okay, so you just heard our lesson on early American culture. So we are ready to work on our assignment for today. So you will be clicking this very top link. Make sure you already have that pulled into Notability. Mine's going to look just a little bit different. I don't have mine in Notability, but here's what you're going to do. So there are 10 questions. Each of the 10 are either going to be answered with mound builders, Anasazi, or Inuit, which means you will use each of these more than one time. If I was to read the directions, because that's what I would tell you to do, you're going to match each clue to its culture. Write the name of the culture on the line, and some cultures will be used more than once. This says you can use your textbook, but you can use your reading. So let's look at the first one. So the first one says, we are several groups who lived east of the Mississippi. So that's something that we did talk about. You're going to look at our three options. So the mound builders, the Anasazi, and the Inuit. And you're going to either write mound builder, Anasazi, or Inuit on this line. You can go back if you notice on the assignment page, there's a link to the text. You can always go back to my video where I'm explaining either one that you want, but I would really, really encourage you to look back in the text if you're not sure of an answer. So for example, this first one, we are several groups who lived east of the Mississippi River. The Mississippi River is in the Midwest, and I know we talked about the mound builders being in the Midwest. So next to number one, I would write mound builders. If you just want to write MB, I'm fine with that. And then if you have an Anasazi, you can write A or AN. And then for Inuit, you can write I or IN. If you don't want to write the whole word out, I'm fine with that. So you can either be doing this on Notability, I said that, but if you're in class today and you would like to use just a paper copy, I do have a paper copy, so you can come get that from wherever in the room I told you to do so. But that's what you're going to do here. So you have technically 9 more. We just did the first one together. So you have 9 more that you're going to read the clue and then decide which culture, which Native American groups are we talking about with that question. So use the text if you need to. Go back and listen to the video if you need to. Whatever you need to do when you get done with this, you either submit it on Canvas if you did it online, or submit the paper into your class's homeroom tray. Good luck.